So if we're gonna be vloggers,
I don't want to be a blogger.
a vlogger, not a blogger, a vlogger.
What the hell's the difference?
One's a video and one's a writer. So if we're gonna be vloggers, it means that we have to like record what we do sometimes. So why don't you tell the lovely folks what you did today, or what you had done today?
They put in a faucet.
So we've moved the faucet in the backyard here. It used to be over on that corner.
Well, you can tell where it was.
It's still, I imagine there's still some, I gotta come out here and do some weeding. Okay, so here's the old one. This is where the old faucet was. And the line underneath the house broke.
Oh, underneath the deck.
Underneath the deck. And it was a horrible jungle. Tell them what it was like, honey, underneath there.
I can't say those words.
Well, say nice words.
It was a cluster.
It was a cluster of piping and mess that should have never been there in the first place. And so he had him reroute it. So it just goes straight under the house now, and it comes out down here. Kind of in the middle of the yard. So that'll be perfect. I'll be able to have it running out there to my new garden bed.
Move this, I'll build you a little frame.
Yeah, I'll move these.
So you can have your hoses on either side, and then maybe it's...
Look at how lovely these are looking. It's cold out here though still. My onions, those are chives, parsley.
It's cold out here?
Yes. Looks like I need
What the hell are we doing up here?
I don't know. I don't know. It might not be so cold over here in the sun.
It's 50-some degrees.
Oh, my rhubarbs are coming up.
Yeah, they're going to be kind of juice this year?
I hope so. It looks like they're at least red this year. Coming up out of here. You're not supposed to use them the first year, and I found the second year I wasn't able to use them either. They just stayed green the whole time. I didn't know that they would just stay green. They were supposed to get red. So even the second year that I had them, I wasn't able to use them because they were horrible. They tasted horrible. So it was really bad. They look pink this year, so I guess that's a good thing. Oh, and look at this. My apple tree is still alive. Look at this. So I wanted to transplant it. I should have done it. Now it's got to stay in this pot. It's going to have to, I think, can I transplant it still now? Like, I don't think now is a good time to transplant my apple tree. When it's starting to bud out, or it's not budding out, it's not going to bud out, it's only like a 3-year-old tree, but it is still alive. I wasn't sure if it was going to make it. I don't.
Over there is dead.
I think the other one is dead. I'm just looking at it over there.
We grow dead plants.
We grow dead plants. What about the grapes?
What about them?
Are they doing anything yet? Oh yeah, they are. Look, here's some new little nubs on here.
Ask Bunky.
Ask Bunky. Tell me, Bunky. Are those new nubs on my grapes?
Sure,
Oh yeah, look. Those gotta be new nubbins. I wonder if I want to cut one of these off. Maybe I'll let it grow for this year and then cut it off and then go with these two.
As I say, ask Bunky.
Bunky, what do you think? Joe, what do you think?
She knows that stuff, doesn't she?
Yeah, Bunky, what do you think? Should I keep this one or should I trim one of the sides off of this one? Maybe this one that's growing in and let this grow out and then keep this one? Or should I keep it to the single stalk and let these two split out? My thought is I should take this one off.
Why do you do
should I do it now or should I wait? So that's my question for my garden teacher. Oh,
What?
you broke up my... Where did you get that from?
What?
This bamboo. You broke that all up?
Yeah, because it was broke.
Well, why did you break it?
Because it was broke.
Okay.
They're all broke, cracked, and everything.
Now let's look at what else we got out here. I really need to come and weed. I actually need to come out now that this stuff is growing. Let me show you what I got going on down here. So, oh, my garlic is looking pretty good. It's looking, some of it's looking a little bit yellow. I think I need to come out here with some more nitrogen for it. But this, I don't know what this is. If it's some kind of a little flower, some kind of a little white flower, but is it anything that's useful or not? Like, I've discovered that there's a lot of things that I don't know what they are, and some of them are like usable in tea. I find that I really need to start making my own tea because that stuff's really expensive, and with me not working as much anymore, I need to do something to make up for that. I wonder if I'm going to get a giant ground cherry here again.
Well, them chickens didn't grow.
Them chickens didn't grow? So our compost is full of chicken bones. What the heck is up with that?
Oh, that's 10. Well, that comes from the farm.
Yeah, I know it comes from the farm, but you're not supposed to sell it until it's composted.
It is composted.
Well, the bones aren't composted.
They don't.
What do you mean they don't?
It takes bones a lot longer than that. This is only a couple of years of compost.
Okay, well, I'm gonna need more bark too.
You need more back. How's your shoulders, Dave? Oh, they're not too bad. Well, we're gonna get some work done on you. So you're in there laying and moaning. Well, at least the plumber felt sorry for me.
Did he?
Yes.
I feel sorry for you too, honey.
Yeah, I feel sorry, but I need this done. I need that done. Well, you know, I can't raise my arms past my elbows.
Well, then, but there's somebody I can get to do it.
Who?
We can get Anna over here. She can do it.
What are you doing?
I'm looking in here.
My God.
What? I'm looking to see if... Ooh! Look at that! Look at all them. Here, I'm going to show you down there. Look!
Jeez.
Look at all them onions.
Oh, no.
This one too. This one too has a ton of onions in it.
I like that.
Dave is crabby because he's in pain. Or Dave is crabby because he's Dave.
Because he's what? What'd you say?
I said because he's Dave.
Okay.
It's his thing. It's his thing. His thing is to be crabby.
Don't touch me. That hurts.
I'm sorry.
Well, quit pulling on my arm.
Sorry, I'll massage it. Okay, let's go inside.
That hurt?
Let's go inside. It's cold out here.
Well, get in there.
Just give me a hug.
Ouch.
And smile.
No.
Come on!
Go in there.
One big smile.
You're gonna freeze because it's dropped down to 45 and the wind's blowing. There's a chill factor. Quick, get in there. Alright, I don't want to have to call the paramedics to thaw you out.
He's a bugger, isn't he? I'm gonna close the door on him.
Hey. Oh.
Say goodbye, Dave.
Goodbye, Dave.
Bye.